It's a proud day for Goan sports as our athletes continue to make waves at the first Khelo India Tribal Games in Chhattisgarh. After a stellar performance in the morning, the momentum stayed high at the Krida Parisar Athletic Stadium in Jagdalpur. Joining the winner's circle is Vaibhav Vishwasgaonkar, a resident of Karmane, Dharbandora, who clinched a silver medal in the high jump event. Vaibhav, who previously topped the selection trials in Ranchi, cleared an impressive 1.91 meters, narrowly missing the 1.94 meter mark in his final attempt. His victory marks the second medal for Goa today, following Mansi Kunkalkar's brilliant gold medal win in the shot put earlier this morning. A massive congratulations to our champions for putting Goa on the national map.
Khelo India Tribal gold medal. Thank you डायरेक्टराक तेंच्यांनी खूब हेल्प केली आमचे स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टराक तेंच्यांनी बरीची बरी फॅसिलिटीज केली आनी हांव म्हाज्या कोचांकूय तशेंच थँक्यू म्हणपाक सोदता तेंच्यांनी म्हाका खूब हेल्प केला आनी म्हाज्या पेरंट्सांक म्हाजे मम्मी पप्पा तेंच्यांनी म्हाका खूब मोटिवेट केला आनी तेंकां लागूनच हांव हांगा आसा म्हाका खूब बरें दिसता.
Please put your hands together for Mansi Mohan.
Like, subscribe, and get notified.